Hello everyone, this is a short review video on Temu and we will be discussing whether you should buy from Temu or not. Well, it's all up to you whether you want to buy or not, but no one can deny that you get to find one of the cheapest products on Temu and you can even start dropshipping using Temu. So it is beneficial for both the consumers and the businessmen, and this way Temu is absolutely insane. But if you go at the ethical and moral level of Temu, then you might not be able to buy or purchase from Temu, as when you go at the background story of Temu, you get to find that Temu forces laborers to work for them overtime in order to get the products at the cheapest rates, and this is one of the reasons behind the cheap products of Temu. So ethically and morally you might not want to buy it, but still when people find it quite cheap and they are able to save some money using Temu, then they would just simply go for the Temu, keeping aside all the morals and ethics. So it's completely up to you whether you want to purchase from Temu or not. The fraud cases are quite less on Temu, and it is quite usual in this e-logistics business when people lose the track of their products. So it's the same case with Temu also, but overall people has been receiving their products on Temu. It might be a little late, but they do receive their products. So you can also give it a try if you want to purchase the cheap products, but don't go with the higher end products. Otherwise, if you lose this particular product, then you might be at a loss and might not receive any customer support at all. So this was just a personal review after going through different videos and articles on internet. I hope you like this information. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.